Everyone wants to know about semicolons. And guess what? That's my favorite thing to teach. So I'm going to show you semicolons. Look at this sentence. Daquan was late. He had to get a pass. I've seen people just write that sentence. It's wrong. Daquan was late. Is that one sentence? Yes. The second sentence is he had to get a pass. Semicolons separate similar sentences. Some people want to say related sentences, but I like to say similar because it rhymes. Daquan was late. He had to get a pass. Semicolon goes right here because a semicolon separates similar sentences. This is one whole independent clause, and this is an independent clause. Another way you can do it, you could have put Daquan was late, comma, so he had to get a pass. But I like to use semicolons. They make my writing just have a lot of flavor. Next one. Jan called me last night. She was upset. Where's the semicolon going to go in this sentence? Are you sure?
Me?
No, after.
It's after night. I was just kidding.
Oh.
Okay, here we go. Jan called me last night. That's one sentence, right? She was upset. That's another sentence. Semicolons separate similar sentences. Next one. My students respect me. I respect them too. Where are we going to put a semicolon in this sentence?
After me.
After me, correct. My students respect me, the truth. I respect them too, the truth. And notice I have a comma before two, because when two means also, you put a comma before it. Next sentence. Kyler said, I'm going to make a touchdown. After said, really? Can you, is that a complete sentence? Kyler said? Yes.
Yeah.
I'm going to make a touchdown. Is that a complete sentence? Yes. But I tricked you. This sentence doesn't need a semicolon. It needs a comma and quotation marks because he said it. Yes. It's not a similar sentence. I got you on that one, didn't I? Seth bought a new car. It was bright red. Can I use a semicolon in that sentence?
Yes.
Where at?
After car.
After car. Notice when I use a semicolon, I do not capitalize the following letter because the sentence is all one and it ends in a period. So you do not capitalize that following letter. Look at the last example. I went to the mall. Fran caught a fish.
Mall.
After ball.
You're going to put a semicolon?
Friend.
Huh?
F-R-I-E-N-D.
No, it's not. It doesn't mean friend. It's Fran like a girl's name.
Oh.
Okay. I went to the mall. Fran, the girl, caught a fish. Where am I going to put a semicolon in this sentence?
After ball.
The mall.
You would think so, but what did I tell you about semicolon? They separate what? Similar or related sentences. Are these related?
No.
No. So we don't put a semicolon. What do we put?
A comma.
Woo!
A period.
You put a period. That's good. That's okay. We're all learning. When we learn together, we will correct ourselves, and that's how we improve our writing. Semicolons, they're tricky, but they're lots of fun.